And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They want me to get it.
Today is Sunday. I didn't vlog my supermarket run, but I just got home from the supermarket. I'm going to show you a few of the stuff that I got. This is everything that I got.
I love you.
Love you too. So I got some veggies because I want to make a salad. So yeah,
Thank you, Mommy.
you're welcome. I also got some ranch for my salad as well. I'm gonna be making shrimp salad, so I bought the shrimp. I need some clothespin, some by clothespin. I'm not gonna show you guys everything. I'm just showing you guys some of the stuff. There's something specific. I'm really coming for sure now. These slap. Why everything I drop? These slap so much. So I got a bunch of these. I cannot find what I came here to. Yeah. So I got the cranberries. I got the cranberries for my salad because the last time we ordered salad from KFC, they had the cranberries in there, and we've been searching for them for such a long time. So I'm finally get the cranberries, so I'm excited. This is the reason why I'm actually buy the other ingredients, because I'm excited. And as you guys can see, me wear my can by the close gas supermarket. I just got home and put on my bonnet, so that's why it looks like that. This is mixed berries because I'm also going to be making a smoothie. If you guys remember, if you don't remember, I'm going to show you. But I got some protein powder from a company and I really wanted to try it, so I'm going to make it with the mixed berries. So I'm going to make the mixed berries smoothie and I'm going to make shrimp salad.
Pack that tea.
Apologies for the weird angle. My tripod broke yesterday. But these are the protein powders that I got. I think I'm going to use, probably the vanilla one. There's vanilla, there's chocolate, there is chocolate peanut butter, and there is vanilla chai. For berries, I think I'm probably gonna work with this one. I was supposed to buy milk. I never actually buy milk because I don't like milk. So I bought Lasco. Hopefully that can work. So yeah, I guess I'll show you guys when, either when it's finished or when I'm making it. But I'm doing laundry, so probably when I'm finished I'll show you guys.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so sad.
I was supposed to give you guys an update today, but I'm on the way to the gym. I barely got a chance to do my hair, but I think after the gym, I am gonna try to get some active wear, because you guys have seen this one a million and one times. I do have a bunch of active wear, but I feel like I need some new ones. I was gonna order from Shein, but it's not gonna come in time. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I also have a dental appointment. Did I just say that? I think I did. So I'm going to do that first, then active wear, then home. I'm very hungry, so I should probably get some fruits.
Yeah, my friend done lazy.
But my dentist isn't far from my gym, so that's good. I did not have breakfast, which is not good. So I got this. I have left the gym more than an hour now. And I am now heading to get something to eat, and I'm gonna head to one of the 21 stores to try to get some active set people. My legs are currently not legsing. My legs are tapping out like, I don't remember what day tomorrow is. I know I have glutes on Mondays and Wednesdays. I'm trying to stick to my regular schedule. My mouth is kind of still swollen, as you guys can see, so that's why it's hard for me to talk. But I'm trying to stick to the regular schedule so that I can go back to the exercises and stuff that I was doing. But now I'm at Progressive. Well, what is the name? Now I'm around the side where Progressive is to get the food. I don't even know if I'm going to sit and dine, get the food and go. I also want to meal prep today again because my salad is going to finish today. The last amount of salad I have. I have the last serving of salad left. So I want to make sweet mashed potato, corn, and I have chicken in the fridge. So I want to make either a baked chicken or something like that. Grilled chicken, I don't know. For probably 3 days so that when I'm coming to the gym, I can have it either before or after. But as I said, I'm going to grab some food now. And I'm gonna take you guys with me when I'm going to get some active wear.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on.
Leave me, dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I got quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Got what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Guys, I'm home from the gym. I need to get my lashes removed because they look so crazy now. But I stopped at the supermarket to get, I don't know what it's named, but I really like it. So I got some of these and also got some toilet paper. You guys saw that I went to the market to get the sweet potatoes and some plantains for my meal prep. I still have a salad in the fridge, so I'm gonna eat that. I don't know when because I'm kind of tired, so I really just want to relax. But today was a good day. Today was, how many today? Back and core. I don't even know what day today is, honestly. But yeah, I will see you guys when I'm prepping my meal. So I'm gonna have mashed sweet potato, corn, probably plantain because I bought plantains. And I think that should be it. I did also buy berries from you. I also bought berries from Rainforest. So I'm going to try to do the smoothie again. I didn't like the one that you guys saw. Did I break my camera? I broke my screen protector. That's not good. But yes, I guess I'll see you guys when I am meal prepping. This is the little gym bun that I wear pretty much every day because I can't be bothered with wigs right now. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I am meal prepping. Hopefully the food come out good because I don't really love cook that much. But you have to eat. So yeah. Today's Friday. Today's the last day I'm gonna go to gym for the week. I'm only doing gym Monday to Friday. Even though I started Wednesday this week, but still now make up for it. I need to rest so that my muscles and stuff can grow. I did get a vanilla shake this morning. Because for right now, I'm not really cutting back on too many things, but I have been eating healthy. So this is like a cheat meal, kinda. And you guys, I had a salad I had the last salad this morning for breakfast. I've been saying I was gonna have it and I didn't. So I had it this morning. I started cooking last night, but I didn't show you guys because I was super tired. So I'm gonna finish when I get home. I only have the corn and the potatoes to finish. My chicken, I did the chicken in the air fryer. So yeah, I'm about 5 minutes out from the gym now. So I'll let you guys know when I get there. I don't really record my workouts because, as you guys know, I used to work out at home. Transitioning to the actual machines is a little different. So I'm waiting until I get used to that. So this is the meals for today's Friday. So I'm gonna have one now, one tomorrow, probably two tomorrow. I don't know yet. But I did the chicken in the air fryer. I made the sauce thingy, which is actually very good. I couldn't get any what do you call it, cucumbers, so I just got tomatoes. And as you guys see, I have plantain. I'm gonna tell you somebody want the sweet mashed potato. So this is my meal for the next, well, my main meal for the next couple of days. And I want for breakfast tomorrow, I want egg, bacon, and cheese. So yeah, that is it for the meal prep, and it actually tastes pretty good, so I'm not too mad at it. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting to get this microphone. By the way, it is Sunday, so I'm here to end off the vlog, but I've been waiting to get this microphone. So those packages that you guys saw me pick up yesterday, my microphone was in there. When I got home, I realized that I had 5 more packages to pick up that came after I left. I didn't get those, so you guys will get that. You guys will see those in another vlog. I did pick up some stuff. I don't know, interesting or crazy, but I got more stuff from TikTok Shop, and I also got some PR from Good Molecules. I've been on Good Molecules PR list from a couple years now, like way before they went viral. So yeah, they sent me some stuff. Like they messaged me the other day and they asked me for my updated shipping address, and they sent me a little product. I still have not replaced my tripod. I am not very happy about that. I know I'm gonna have to order one on TikTok Shop, but I'm just so tired of spending. So I'm gonna show you a few of the stuff that I got if I can do this. So this is the package from Good Molecules. ASMR moment. This is actually something that I think I'm gonna use because I'm too lazy to do a consistent skincare routine. So this is their Sakura Hyalo, Hyaluronic, that word, acid boosting essence. This is supposed to um enhance the skin's ability to draw moisture into its deeper layers. And my skin tends to be very dry. Even when I moisturize, it still look dry like really quickly after. So I think this is gonna come in handy. I told you guys, TikTok Shop keeps sending me sour candy. So they sent me actually 2 packages, but I don't know what the next one is. So in here we just have a bunch of sour candy. I did post them on my TikTok Shop because again, that's what I got them for. So yeah, I'm gonna be wrapping up the vlog here. I have gym tomorrow, and then I also have an event with my friend on Tuesday. Wednesday, KFC gave away free chicken. I don't know if you guys heard about that, but yeah, KFC is giving away free chicken. But this is pretty much it for this week's little vloggy vlog. As you guys see, I'm trying to be consistent on YouTube again. I feel like YouTube was one of the audiences that I started out with. I'm gonna want to go ghost uno. So yeah, I'm back.
Clock that T. Clock it. Clock that T. Clock it. Clock that T.
I just love doing that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in next week's vlog. Love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah.